It's only a dream, 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 it's only a dream.
Yo, Louis, Oasis, check it. The sins that we spit it don't come in a package. Straight from the brain, causing lyrical damage. And still don't give a fuck. Straight out of Cali, cause I'm California grown, nigga. I hold my own, motherfuck all you fake, cause I'm low to the brain. Grape, Swiss and sweet, rolled up with a purple shirt, gone to the dome, and a hand with the riddles. Now if you wanna take, motherfucking come and see me. My lyrical ability, they're just too real. They wanna take me out, but ain't no blood and spill. I represent my sector, and that's on my mama.
It's only a dream, 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 it's only a dream.
Let's start by saying how you don't love me. I can't fucking blame what the hell your homies might see. I am what I am, so you can hate it or love it. And if you wanna keep talking, do it to the back of it, cause this song might be the one I was searching for, looking far and deep, but my work never seems to go. I've been through hell struggles, and it only seems fair how I talk about my life and the way you don't care. So get it through your head, I dream of eating verses. Spit so well, I swear you call it curses. And no matter how dark I roll and I seem, I'm still the only one with the record that's clean.
I can't blame this on my mother for all the shit I've done. I wish it would've stopped me before it all begun. Putting suckers to the test without holding a gun. I'm mocking my lyrics is my only weapon. No disrespect and still got love for the G's and the hustlers. Don't hate me, cause I hustle and I'm more legit. My pockets is growing and that's for certain. No hesitating and no contemplating and no contemplating.